Team, today I want to share with you one of my favorite party appetizers. You know I love these 30-minute meals. Today I want to talk about the Kalbi ribs. You hear them flanken style ribs. Really, it's just a cross cut of the short rib, a really nice marbled piece, but it's going to grill up super quick. And I'll show you a really fun marinade. Super easy, super simple, 500-degree grill. Let's get the marinade going. So we've got some gorgeous E3 beef Kalbi style ribs, or flanken ribs. They also call them Angus wings, right? So when you cut them into individual pieces, you've got the bone and you've just got all this meat to bite on. That's a lot of fun. Kalbi just meaning, well, it's a Korean word for rib. So when you say Kalbi ribs, you're saying rib. Rib. Like mahi. You're saying Persian for fish, right? But it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of fat content here that's gonna melt at a high temperature and make these tender bites. So if you love short ribs and you haven't tried this, get onto it. Now, 30-minute marinade. Today we're going to be using a fajita bath. This is a Tres Chilies Sweetwater, so it's a Sweetwater product. I like products that it's cheaper to buy quality products than it would be to buy all the things individually and make your own. So this is one of those quality products we like to use. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of this, 1 cup of water, put it on the ribs. 30 minutes later, you're on the grill. Let's get it going. All right, guests are going to be arriving soon, so we're going to throw these babies on the grill. This is a quick cook. So we're stabilized at just over 500 degrees right now, and we're going direct. Using the Kamado Classic 2 right now. 30-minute marinade is all it took. I'm not going to put any oil on there or additional seasoning. We are just ready to rock and roll. These concentrates are perfect for big, bold flavors really quick. These quick fire recipes, so much fun and jam-packed with flavor. So when we got people coming over, even if it's on the fly, just throw these in the marinade, get them on the grill, boom, ready to go. As soon as people start walking up, handing them to them, watch them enjoy. That's the beauty of this. We're gonna grill each side for about 3 minutes. I want nice caramelization. I don't care about grill marks. I just want to move them and agitate them slightly to a new spot on the grill so we can get maximum caramelization on each side. Amazing aromas. That's what we like to see. Want to make sure there's a little space in between each one of these so we can get nice caramelization around the edges. All right, another minute and a half, 2 minutes. We're off to the races. Oh yeah. That fat is beginning to render down. They're smoking with their own drippings. That's what we're looking for, team. I think we're ready to go off the grill and cut into individual slices. Here we go. So just get them off the grill. I like this progression of things. We had the raw pieces on the left side of the grill, then we grilled, and now we've got our finishing station over here to the right. It's starting to rain a little bit. The geese are picking up in anticipation. Things are getting exciting. We got the knife out. Here we go, right down the middle. And that is your Angus wing, or your Kalbi rib. Look at that juicy, succulent meat. Let's give it a bite. Big, bold, beefy, beautiful. Good slice on the rest of this. It's almost like buttery, you know? Big, bold, beautiful flavors. Always nice to have 4 or 5 of these quick fires in your back pocket for when guests are coming over. Folks, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did taking that bite, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and please do leave us a comment. We love reading those and responding back to you. As always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.